Hello friends, 2nd October is birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. So today learn some facts about him. The name Mahatma Gandhi is now one of the most universally recognized name on the earth. Full name of Gandhiji was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is also known as M.K. Gandhi, Bapu, Rashtrapita, Father of the Nation or Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat, state of India. Gandhiji's father was Sri Karamchand Uttamchand Gandhi and mother was Putli Bai Gandhi. Gandhiji was married to Kasturba Gandhi. The title of Mahatma was given to Gandhiji by Rabindranath Tagore at his ashram Shanti Niketan. Mahatma means a great soul. As a leader, he had a great following and is known as Father of the Indian Nation or Rashtrapita. Pita in Gujarati is fondly called as Bapu. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was an Indian lawyer, politician, social activist, and writer who employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule, and in turn inspired movements for civil rights and freedom across the world. He became the leader of the nationalist movement against the British rule in India. In honor of his invaluable contribution for the country, his birthday is celebrated nationwide as Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhiji's birthday, 2nd October, is commemorated in India as Gandhi Jayanti, a national holiday, and worldwide as the International Day of Non-Violence. During his early days as a lawyer, he practiced law in South Africa and raised voice against the British when he faced discrimination because of his skin color. Gandhiji's mother was very devoted to Vaishnavism, worshipping the Hindu god Vishnu. She instilled in him the belief of self discipline and non violence. Gandhiji followed the principle of truth, satya, and non violence, ahimsa, throughout his life. He launched several political movements like civil disobedience movement, Dandi March, Quit India movement, Champaran, Kheda Satyagraha, Khilafat movement in India. He also started civil rights movement in South Africa. Gandhiji dedicated his life to discovering and pursuing truth or satya and called his movement Satyagraha, which means Satya ka Agraha, appeal to or reliance on the truth. Gandhiji has stressed on self reliance. He inspired people to use objects made in India. He himself used a spinning wheel called charkha to knit khadi clothes. Gandhiji dreamt about a clean India. He said, sanitation is more important than independence. On 2nd October 2014, the Indian Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji launched a nationwide cleanliness campaign, Swachh Bharat, on the occasion of Mahatma Gandhi's birth anniversary. The concept of Swachh Bharat is to provide sanitation facilities to every family, including toilets, solid and liquid waste disposal systems, village cleanliness, and safe and adequate drinking water supply. Gandhi's is designated the ideas and principle Gandhiji promoted. A Gandhian means either an individual who follows or a specific philosophy which is attributed to Gandhism. Gandhiji was a phenomenal leader. His ideas, principles were followed by people all over the country and admired by the world. It is said that he is a leader who leads by the example. His teachings, principles are still relevant in present context. It is said that Gandhiji is not just a person but a thought process, a thinking. Jai Hind. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, subscribe for the channel. Thank you.